Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Natasya R1. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at the benefits of aloe vera plant for skin and body. We're going to be looking at the amazing benefits that it has as a cooling gel, as anti-inflammatory, also how to use it for your skin as well as making an aloe vera juice. So stick around as we get into it. Well, the aloe vera plant is fantastic. You can use it externally and internally in your body. So what are some of the benefits? Well, in terms of the gel you can use for your skin as well as for making a juice. On your skin, it's actually awesome for hydration. It is soothing. It helps clear acne. You can use it as a hydration mask. You can even use it for fading dark spots on your skin and for anti-aging. In terms of the aloe vera for making a juice, aloe vera juice is amazing for gut health. It has amazing benefits for soothing your gut. If you have IBS, if you have Crohn's disease, you make a beautiful liquid or juice with it by taking pieces of the aloe vera, cutting it, putting it into your fruit juice, blitzing it up with a little bit of ginger, honey, and maybe some lemon, and you can drink that on a daily basis. It's also good for relieving heartburn. It's also packed with nutrients like vitamin A, B, C, and E for healing your skin and your body internally. So those are the amazing benefits of aloe vera. The question is, how do you actually prepare aloe vera? So what you do is you first wash this plant. You make sure you wash it and cleanse it, and then what you do is you cut the leaves and you remove the spikes on the side. You can use a scissor or you can use a knife, and you peel off each layer on top. So you remove the top layer with a knife and you remove the bottom layer with the knife as well, and then you're left with this amazing transparent gooey gel. As you can see, it is quite cool. It feels like a rubbery, silky, smooth gel-like consistency. And once you're left with that, you're going to get a bowl with cool water and you're going to actually wash it. Because what I must mention is when you cut the leaves of the aloe vera plant, there's some yellow goo that comes out of the plant and green stuff. And it actually smells. I can't handle the smell of it, but it's pungent. And it's actually toxic. So you need to make sure you cleanse it very thoroughly before you use anything for your skin or for the juice. Okay, so what you do is you wash it nicely into a bowl of water and make sure you clean and remove all the yellow and the green elements. Okay, then the next part is, well, how do you use it for your skin? Well, you're going to take the plant or you can take the gel itself. You're going to wash it. And then the gooey part of it, you just apply it to your skin. You apply it all over your skin and you leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you can wash it off. Or you can wear it and let it dry out naturally throughout the day. And then you'll feel your skin feel much smoother, silkier, and more hydrated. Okay. Then the question is, well, how do you make the juice? So what you do is you take elements of the aloe vera itself, you chop it up into pieces, you throw it into a blender. You can add some lemon juice if you'd like. You can add a glass of water, or you can add fruit juice, and you liquidize that and you drink it. And you drink a glass of this every day, you will feel your gut feeling much cooler, less inflammation, less swelling, and all around great for your body. So guys, I hope today's short video has helped you see the benefits of aloe vera plant. You can incorporate it into your daily diet. You can use it on your skin. You can use it as a juice. You can use it even as a hair mask if you'd like. You can just put it onto your hair before you have a shower and then rinse it off. It moisturizes your hair naturally. So give it a shot and let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed today's episode, like, subscribe to my channel, comment, and let me know what you think of aloe vera.